Welcome back to a new video. As always, I told you every time I do something to the Tesla Model S, repair or change something, I will make an update and I will update you regarding what's going on with my car. And today is the day when I will fix the paint and the exterior part of the car. And because Tesla cannot do that, Tesla have some collaboration with some service like carrossery service, like body paint shop services. And in Romania there are only two, if I'm not wrong. One of it is Top Luck, which I think is one of the best because they are on the market from 1995 and they repair all kind of cars. You can see here on the right side it's the new Skoda Kodiaq, which is on repair right now. So there are also other expensive cars around here. So they are not repairing or painting only Tesla, they repair also other cars. They also have cars for replacement, which is great. I really trust this service because from what I understand, to be approved Tesla body shop, you need to make some kind of courses. They have to send the people, the mechanics and the painter to the courses in other countries. So Tesla, in order to give you the approval to repair their cars, there is a complicated process, and Top Luck did that. So yeah, anyway, if you are in Bucharest around here, if you want to repair your body of the car, definitely check them out. I will leave the link in the description and also on the screen so you can find them very easy. They have a few services in Bucharest, in the capital of Romania. Anyway, let me show you what I have to paint, guys. So first of all, I have to fix this one here because here on the hood, it's the paint jumping around here. So it's a pretty big hole. So from what I understand, they have to repaint the whole bonnet, which is fine. And then down here on the bumper we have some scratches and hit it. This is the way I brought the car. And a little bit lower here I have another scratch, which I did. The other ones came with the car, but this one I really did it after I buy the car. In the next 2 days it was kind of a curve and I didn't see it. The suspension were really low and I kind of scratch it, so we see what they can do. And then the biggest is one, which is quite important. The car came like that. It's here in the back. I think another car hit it in the back, and even so, you can see close here. You can hear this close here. It's a metal that protect kind of the car and protect you from the back if someone hit you. But you can see it still have some scratches here, which I want them to repair. And from what I understand, they have to repaint the back bumper in order to make it look perfect. So yeah, I'm really excited, guys. Also, by the way, here on the side, the bumper in the back, kind of this clip doesn't stay so good here, so they say they will fix it without any problem. So yeah, I will leave the car here for probably a few days and then I will come and pick it up. The guys from Top Luck give me also replacement car, so that's great. You can get the replacement car from them for the time that you have the car here, which is fantastic. In the meanwhile, when I wait for the guys to pick up the car, I have to tell you a few words about the Top Luck. The cool part is that they collaborate with all the insurance in Romania, which mean if you have an accident or an incident or someone hit you, you don't have to call the insurance and then the insurance send you to a body shop or something like that. You can come direct here at Top Luck. So you call them directly, you come with the car directly here and they talk with the insurer, with your insurance, and then they fix everything. So you don't have to make this ping pong insurance, repair shop, Tesla and so on. No, you come directly here with your car and they will fix your problem, which is great. In Switzerland, if you remember, guys, I have Model 3 and was the same story. Someone hit me on the side and I go directly to the body shop and then the body shop do everything. So it was so quick. You just come to the body shop and then leave the car, in a few days you get it, and they fix and they take care of everything regarding the papers. And I saw here some replacement car that they have, and it's a Toyota Camry, it's a Toyota CHR, so pretty cool cars. Basically, for a replacement car, it's quite impressive. Today is the big day. I came to pick up my car. Let's see where I park. Ah, there is the car. Wow, this is cool. And it's also charging. The guys put it at charge. Man, that's nice. This is a bonus. We are with a replacement car from Top Luck. And the cool part is that I receive a Model 3, which I drive these days. Very nice car as well. And man, these guys are so professional anyway. I'm so excited to see my car. Let's go inside and pick up the key, and I want to show you the car. All right, guys, so I just take the key and let's see the car. For the first time, I will check the car. Ah, by the way, guys, this Model 3 was the replacement car. So with this car, I drive the last 3 days. Lovely car, as you probably see it from my channel. And this is the car, guys. This is the car. And I basically see it just a little bit before, but I didn't have time to check it in detail, but it looks gorgeous. And what was the most impressive is the fact that from the guys from Top Luck, not only that wash the car, but from what I understand, they polish the car, they wax the car, and it looks really good. They repaint the whole bonnet. So you remember this area here where was the paint jump. Now it looks really good. A little bit lower here was the scratch on the car. You remember that? So now it looks perfect. All this bumper was also repaint, and now look gorgeous. Here on the lower end I had a scratch. I did it on a curve, and now it looks so perfect. And also the alignment, it's really good right now. It looks extremely well. Now another impressive thing is that I remember like 4 or 5 years ago, I had the Model 3. You remember that video when someone hit this wing and it has to be replaced. And I remember after they paint it in Switzerland, they leave a little bit of lack around here, and the paint process was not perfectly. And I was expect today when I came here to be the same, but no, everything looked extremely well. And I want to show you that. I want to prove you that. I will open the bonnet and I want to show you how it looks under the bonnet. So let me open this. The cool thing is that I was crazy. My mind was blown. Why is that? Because they repaint everything and it looks extremely professional. It looks like new. It looks like OEM. They did such a good job. Extremely good job. Let me show you also the bumper on the back, where you remember here on the left side, this area of the bumper was outside. So the clips, the plastic clips didn't hold this. Now they fix it and it holds really well. And you remember down here on the middle, we have that hit from the back. And now it looks really wonderful. Everything is so perfect. And also the alignment, everything looked really good. If you look here also at the alignment of the bumper, they did such a wonderful job. The interior of the car was also washed, and I'm pretty happy with that. They did a perfectly job. Also, you remember this plastic was a little bit outside. I don't remember on the left or right side. Now, anyway, now it's just perfect. They also fixed that plastic there. So man, they did such a wonderful job. They also charged the car, which was really impressive for me. I mean, I find the car at charge and I find it also washed inside. So it looks like brand new. I'm so happy with the process, and I'm so happy that I came here at Top Luck. So they did a fantastic job. It was everything so professional, so quick, so easy, without stress. And I really recommend you, if you are in Romania and Bucharest, around here, definitely recommend you to repair the car at Top Luck. And no matter if you have a Tesla or other model, from what I understand, you can call if you have an accident or some incident, you just call at Top Luck. You don't have to call the insurer, you don't have to call Tesla first. You can call directly here and you give the insurance, and then they take care of everything regarding the paper, regarding all this process. So this is fantastic because you don't have to go in many places and stress too much. You just have an accident, call here, come here, give the insurance, and they take care of everything. Lovely, lovely, lovely process. I'm super happy. So guys, that was the video. I hope you get some useful information from here. If you have questions, ask me down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That will help me a lot. Also, the link from Top Black will be in the description. If you want to repair a car or if you want to check them out, will be in the description and also on the screen. So thank you for watching. As always, guys, stay safe and we see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.